What's going on, everybody? JC here with you again, and you'll have to forgive the haircut and the quarantine beard. We're all having to make sacrifices right now, am I right? But anyway, I just wanted to real quickly talk about one of my favorite new features of the OnePlus 8 Pro, and that is gaming with Stadia. I'm a little bit of a video game guy, definitely not hardcore or a pro gamer or anything like that, more of a casual gamer. I do enjoy my video games though. And I was really excited when Stadia was announced and launched last year, but I never really had a device that could take advantage of it until the OnePlus 8 Pro. Well, the phone's been out for about 2 months, Stadia's been out a little bit longer than that, and I just wanted to real quickly talk about my experience of gaming with Stadia on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Stadia is a cloud gaming service from Google that promises you the ability to play console-level games on essentially any screen with an internet connection. You can play on your phone, your tablet, laptop, or TV and instantly be able to jump between devices without having to reinstall any software, transfer any files, or load any saved games or anything like that. The service launched with a paid tier in fall of 2019 and then launched with a free tier in April 2020, right around the time that the OnePlus 8 Pro launched. A quick side note, even if you have the free tier, you'll still need to purchase games, while the premium tier gives you a few free games that you can play as long as you're subscribed. Any games you do purchase, you get to keep forever though, regardless of whether or not you cancel your subscription. Google says you need at least 10 megabits per second of Wi-Fi speeds for Stadia to work and at least 30 megabits per second to play in 4K 60 FPS. They do claim to support 4K 60 FPS. I wasn't getting 35 megabits per second reliably during my testing, so I wasn't able to play in 4K, and some other reviewers have noted that it may not be true 4K, but I'm not going to get into that here. When I first launched Stadia on my OnePlus 8 Pro, it was a terrible experience. Everything was very slow and lots of stutter with crazy amounts of lags, and it was just an overall bad experience, which left me very disappointed. Then I remembered that we had been having problems with our Wi-Fi and had a very unreliable connection. After we got our Wi-Fi sorted out, everything changed. Gameplay was extremely smooth and I was able to launch into Stadia and load up Destiny 2 without a hitch. I was extremely impressed at just how well it worked. Like I said, there was no lag, there was no stutter, controls were extremely responsive. I honestly don't know if I was watching in 4K. I don't think I was, because again, I'm not getting 35 megabits per second at my house, but it looked great to me. Another benefit of Stadia is that you should be able to use any controller with your phone that is Bluetooth compatible. My Xbox and PlayStation controllers work just fine, but my Nintendo Switch Pro controller lagged a little bit when I was playing, but that may just be me. I'm not really sure. Overall, I really enjoyed gaming on my phone much more than I thought I would. I thought the small screen of a smartphone would lessen the experience, but the huge, bright, vibrant 120 hertz refresh rate screen on the OnePlus 8 Pro helped out quite a bit. Now, Stadia itself still has a long way to go, and the fact that it gets bogged down on most public Wi-Fi and that it doesn't support cellular connections means you won't really get much use of it outside your house, which to me kind of seems to defeat the purpose a little bit, but again, that may just be me. I don't know. Anyway, none of the downsides of Stadia itself have anything to do with the OnePlus 8 Pro. So if you're at all interested in Stadia and you're a gamer who wants to try out cloud gaming, I highly recommend using it on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything, and leave me a note in the comments if there's any other features of the OnePlus 8 Pro that you want me to check out. Talk to you next time.